Alright, it's part 2.
This is where he made a grave mistake. This is actually part 3.
For the cafe build on the 07 Ninja 650R. Alright, so obviously in the previous one we got everything pretty much dialed in on the body wise. Now we have to do the lights. The tail light is what came in today, and it's just a cafe universal style that's usually supposed to go on the fender, but this one, since it won't have a fender, it'll have an inner fender and it'll sit pretty much like that. Sorry, seat's not all the way on, but as you can see, it'll kind of be sneaky peed in there. And this is the integrated one too, where it's got the LED turn signals on the outer side. So obviously here's the stock taillight and turn signals and whatnot. So we got to wire this in to this loom. So gonna figure out what wires are what real quick, and then yeah, we'll start wiring up and testing it out. All right, I spliced into the well, I shouldn't say spliced. I plugged into the brake light and running tail light section first, and we've got the brake, or the running light. Hit the brake real quick. Not too bad. So we got that. Now we've got the turn signals to wire up, and we'll test those out next. All right, found out what wires go to the turn signals. Let's see here. If I can get it to go. There we go. Oh, either way. And the other one, and there's that one. Perfect. So obviously now I just got these wires kind of just plugged in for now. So now I got to hardwire them, and then she'll be done. Then I got to attach it in here to this inner fairing piece, so that way that don't ever leave its position. So we'll attach that after getting the wiring done. All right, got it all wired up. Got the wires tucked under the seat. Light is working perfect. Yeah, that's going to work perfect. It's slim. It's kind of sneaky. It'll work for now. I was going to get the tail light that goes on the bar, but I don't like the look of it for right now. And this will definitely work for what it is. All right, so next is going to be the headlight. All right, now for the cheap headlight. It's kind of cheap looking, honestly, but I think it'll do. So this one has a dual stage bulb inside of it. So you got your high and low, and then on the sides here you got your LED turn signals. Now I went ahead and tested all the wires. Everything is working, and everything is working the way it should. Now the fun part will be getting this wire harness to mount up to the headlight, and then of course mounting up the headlight on the front of the bike. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, do some wiring, then we'll do some rigging up, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the bike. All right, got the wires on, got it all heat shrinked. Okay, got the key forward, turn signal, and then if we clicked, there's the running light and the bright light. Perfect. Now all I got to do is get these mounts up here on the forks, try to tuck these wires in so they don't get caught on anything or get pulled out, and then we'll see how it looks all mounted up. All right, got her all done. Got the headlight mounted, got the clamps on the side, got the wires all tucked, got them zip tied and heat shrinked. Looking good. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Yeah. Brights. Working. Hazards. Hard to see with the camera, but they're on. Oh yeah, she's looking perfect now. It's hard to see where the headlight's pointing right now, but I think I might have to go a little bit lower. The direction of this beam is not the greatest. I mean, it is a cheap headlight, but it can be adjusted a little bit. I think it'll be perfect. Heck yeah. Not too bad. All right, so next and the final step will be, I've got a belly pan for underneath right here to clean this whole area up. They only came on the ER6 ends, most of them in Europe and Australia and other countries like that, where they were pretty much naked bikes with the side fairing or the belly fairing on there, and then they had like a little fairing up here to scoop up air. So I got that we're gonna put on, and then we're getting rid of this exhaust. This one is just too quiet, so I got a slip-on. It's kind of like a universal slip-on, so I'm hoping it's gonna be the one that we're gonna need, or at least will fit. So once that comes in, we'll do that final video of the belly pan and slip-on, and then she'll be done. And then we'll go on to another project after that. But follow along. Hopefully we do more cool builds like this. Hopefully do more car builds after this too, especially getting into fall season and whatnot. Yeah, that's all for now. See you later.